Well, hello there. My name is... I'm just kidding. Well, hello there. Today we're going to Lenox Mall to walk around / return some stuff. So, we'll just be walking around and doing some stuff, and, yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's just, you'll just be watching us walk around and stuff. So, yeah, have fun. Take two. Okay. What's up, guys? Today we are going to the Lenox Mall to return some stuff. So we'll be walking around and doing some nonsense. Probably not that much nonsense though, mostly just walking around. You might see a little bit of that, or we might decide not to show you guys that kind of stuff. Who knows? It's gonna be a mystery. You have to watch to find out. Okay, bye.
How cute is this stuff from Williams Sonoma? Oh my goodness. We currently want this fridge. This oven. It's everything. Like, it's so cute. They have this old oven too. I don't like the yellowness of it, but it is pretty cute. There's so many things. That sounds delicious. I don't know if y'all have ever been inside of a Williams Sonoma, but it smells like food, and it is so good right now. It's making me so hungry and making me want to buy everything. Yum. I just love these
Let's play a
antique.
game without looking.
Okay.
How much?
I would assume like 50.
150.
What?
150.
Let me feel it. Is it like heavy? Oh yeah, that's.
I mean, it's like just like a pan.
Yeah, I mean it's heavier than our ones from Walmart.
Your average saute pan, $400. Oh my gosh.
That's crazy. I love how beautiful and like antique looking it is though.
But never for that price.
No,
I can't
we're
believe
too
they
poor for
sell
that.
Anything for that
But
price.
people who come and shop here are a lot more wealthier than we are. I bet this stuff is good stuff though that lasts a long time. At least I would hope so if you're paying that price. Go again.
How much?
That should be like 20 to 50 bucks.
130.
Gosh, for that little thing? We found something cheap.
Guess, babe, how much for the stand that it's on?
You can buy the stand.
You can't.
It's gotta be like 20 bucks.
It's $400.
No, thank you. Oh my gosh. How cute is this tree? That's crazy.
It is $400 for the stand.
Oh my gosh. That's so crazy. They're so cute. If
Let's play how much for the ice cream scoop?
$10.
20.
It better be one that like melts the ice cream as you scoop it. Better be one of those. Oh, I don't know what this is, but it looks really cute. Oh, it's a walnut stamp thingy. I guess for desserts. Oh, it's for like pie stuff. This is so cute. It looks like a tea thing. That
It's
you like
a spice molar.
Spice boiler?
Molar. It's
Molar?
for mulling spice, apparently.
Wait, this is actually what we need. We need a big paddle like this. Well, this is more of a spatula. We need like a paddle that. Babe, let's get a break.
We're not getting anything
so cute.
It's actually that.
I know.
Well, here's the thing. We need to start instead of just.
So they have Christmas stuff here now. Are still here, which is pretty crazy. It's way after Christmas. It's almost the end of February, and they have Thanksgiving stuff. Oh my goodness. What the heck? I literally want to try all of these. Getting all those olive oils, that would be so fun. I love trying different olive oils. Ooh, and these sauces.
It's like some good olive oil.
Those do. These pizza sauces sound really good too. And spaghetti. You know, I like some spaghetti. Not that it's spaghetti, but they even have like little seasoned coffee rub. Ooh, I love coffee. We should actually get that. I love the coffee rubbed steaks. I would love something like that for us to eat and play with. Some Korean barbecue beef short rib. That sounds really good. Oh, that's so cute.
Peppercorn collection.
Wait, and there's the sea salts too. Oh my gosh. How much is this? $34.95. Oh wait, we can get one on like a little stand.
There you go.
I know. I really want to get like some of that black lava salt that you see sometimes in stores or in like restaurants. I think they have some Instapot stuff.
Yeah, let's look at this.
They look really good.
Hi, welcome in.
How cute is this idea? I love it. Okay, so we are transitioned. We're at ZinBurger now. We stopped here for lunch. It's right outside of Lenox Mall. Here is the menu for you guys. This is our third time eating here. And it's pretty good. We like it. It's Tyler's favorite place to get a burger. Here's some of their cocktails.
Oh, baby.
Oh, are you looking at me?
Yeah.
You can't look at me without telling me. I have to try to be beautiful.
You're so beautiful all the time. Okay, so this is my veggie burger. We got the loaded fries, and that is Tyler's ZinBurger. And they look really delicious.
So guys, that was our awesome little video. You got to see us walking around Williams and Sonoma playing Guess the Price. You got to see us checking out some interesting things at Williams and Sonoma. You also got to see our food that we ate, and it was pretty good. And I liked the bacon on top of the fries. So that was the adventures, and this is narration with Tyler. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys next time. Fun fact, whenever Erica and I speak into the camera, our noses get very itchy and we have to rub them. I don't know why this happens. It is one of the mysteries of life. Just like, why does the sun rise and set? Is it because, I mean, I know the earth is flat, so I don't understand how that happens. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm just kidding. But I don't know why my nose itches. So anyway, when you see us scratching our nose, that is why. Because filming videos makes your nose itch. It's one of the hazards of the trade. Anyway, fun facts with Tyler. Bunk bunk. Hey Erica. Why did the firefighters have to go to the rapper's house?
What?
Why did the firefighters have to go to the rapper's house?
I don't know.
because he was spitting fire. Oh. Hey, Erica.
Hey.
What do you call an elephant in a phone booth?
Stuck.
Damn it, she knew it.